What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here, and you guys have been asking me for a couple days now on how do I check my balance with Karlsen and how do I send coins to the exchange or something if you want to sell your coins. So that's what I'm going to show you today, so hopefully this helps you out. I'm also going to kind of run through what everything means so you understand what's going on and what's working here. So here we can see this is my node. It is up and synced. Everything is synced up. Now you do not need your node in sync to mine. Once you have your wallet address, you can mine, shut this off, but you will need your node as well as your wallet both in sync to check your latest balances as well as to send coins. If you don't have your wallet address or anything yet, be sure to check my other video on how to mine Karlsen, and that will get you up and running. All right, so I'm just going to close this out and we're going to start from scratch here. So the first thing you need to do is go to your file explorer and navigate to wherever you did install or extract your Karlsen wallet. And here we are. We have our Karlsen wallet and all our files that came with that file we had to download. So now I'm simply going to right click here and open in terminal. So that's going to open our initial window here to this location. We're going to have to navigate back to this each time afterwards. Now I did set up a quick and fast easy cheat sheet so I can just copy and paste stuff, but as I do this I'm going to show you why I have some of these things here. So I'm just going to close this out for now. Now just to do some basic terminology I guess stuff here, I'm going to go ls, or you can just use dir directory for Windows. They both do the same thing. They show you all the files within the current directory that you are located in. Here we can see exactly where we right clicked and loaded our terminal here. So what we got to do is first start our daemon. So I'm going to come into here and I'm just going to copy this right here. This is our Karlsen utxoindex. This is what fires up our initial node in this case, I guess. So we're going to copy this, and you probably, if you're running as administrator, you don't need this period backslash type of command here, but because I'm not running as admin anything, I knew that I need that there to kind of just say, hey, yes, I believe in this command, it's going to work. So I'm just going to right click, that's going to paste that into there. Bam, there we go. Our first screen is now syncing up our node, and again, you're not going to see your latest transactions or anything until your node is fully in sync, and then your wallet is in sync with the node. Your wallet actually talks to your node and downloads all the transactions on there so you can see anything. Now I do see in their Discord that they're saying you can just send the coins without this in sync. Myself, I highly do not recommend that, but you know, do whatever you want, but we'll see what happens. So we can see we're in sync here. Depending when you shut your node off last will determine how long until you're back in sync. Obviously we just shut this off, so we didn't really have to download anything. So now we're going to open up a new tab here, and this is where we're going to start our wallet syncing daemon. So as I said earlier, I'm going to ls in here and show you exactly what's going on. So I'm in downloads. I'm going to cd-space downloads here. We're going to enter into that. I'm going to ls again. I'm going to copy this. This is where we did extract that into. Right click and then cd-space. Right click will paste that in, and now we're exactly where we were in our first window where we came into here. So I'm just going to close this out again just to show you how fast and easy it is to have this little cheat sheet here. So now I'm simply going to copy this instead of going through all the directories. Once you figure out where they are, I'm going to copy, bring this into here, paste it in, and it's going to take us to the exact same thing. We are now where all our files are. So our next step here is to actually sync our wallet up to our node so that we can see all the transactions, and that's pretty simple. We simply copy this command, which is Karlsen wallet start-daemon. So I'm just going to copy this in, come back into here, paste that in, and now just wait a couple seconds here, and now we can see our wallet is synced, ready for queries. So now we're going to open our third one. So what we got going on here is now our wallet is downloading all the transactions into the wallet itself off of our node. So these two are talking to each other, and then our third window here is where we're going to be running all our wallet commands, checking balances, and so on. Again, you do need both of these in sync before you will see all the latest transactions, and it's recommended to do so in order to send transactions as well. So now we're just going to put in this command, and this is how you check your balance. You simply run Karlsen wallet balance. So we're going to come into here, paste this. Oh, I don't want to do that yet. See, we're in the wrong folder. If I would have done that, it would not have worked. We have to be where our files are. So we're just going to copy this, paste that in there, and now I'm going to copy that one in, and we're going to check our balance here. So if I copy this again, sometimes it likes to glitch out on me. I apologize. So we're going to copy this in here, And now bam, and now we're going to check our balance. You can see I currently only have 73.96. I finally got one payout, so it gave me the ability to make this video for you guys. Now if you want, you can also see all the commands available by simply using Karlsen wallet and then the help command. Just hit that and you can see now you have your balance, your broadcast, your create. So these are all commands you can use after Karlsen wallet here. So balance, broadcast, create unsigned transaction, dump unencrypted data, new address, parse, send, show addresses, sign, start-daemon, or sweep. So next thing we're going to do, I'm going to send some coins over to TradeOgre. We're going to need the send command, but there's a whole bunch of things you're going to have to do as well, which if you just start with this by adding in, I'll just show you right now, right quick actually. I'm just going to go like this, and then I'm going to hit send, and you can see, oh, now you missed some other stuff. Now you have to tell it where to go and all this other thing. So I dealt with all this, and I got everything figured out so you guys can just see it all in one spot. All right, so here is the full send command. So it's Karlsen wallet, send, and then we got to do our, dash here, send dash amount. So this is the amount of tokens you're going to send. It's just one. Then we got our /. I guess I messed that up. This is /. This is / here. So then we got our /T, which means you're sending one amount to whatever address. In this case, this is my TradeOgre wallet address. So I'm going to try to send one coin over to TradeOgre. So in order to do so, I'm simply going to copy this command like so, like that. Right click this, I'm copying it. I'm going to come into here and just paste that in and then hit enter. Now it's going to ask me for my wallet password. So I'm going to enter that right quick. All right, hopefully I entered that correctly. Hit enter. Transactions were sent successfully. Here's my transaction ID and all that. So now I'm going to come back here and I'm going to check my balance again and see if we lost one. I can't remember what I was at, so it's probably not going to do me any good. I guess I can scroll up. Oh, this is a different window. All right, so I'm just going to paste this in here and maybe you guys are at 72. So yeah, I think I was at 73. So we are down a coin. All right, so now I'm in TradeOgre. If I click on my deposit history, I can see there is one coin currently in the confirmation process. I'm at 134 of 1200. So it looks like the exchange did get that transaction, and that is how you send coins out of the Karlsen wallet to an exchange or anywhere really, to your friend or anyone else you do want to send Karlsen coins to. So hopefully this video helps you out in checking your balance and sending your coins to other addresses within the Karlsen wallet. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Rabid out.